Type Create YouTube Channel. Request the stop mode. Click on Create YouTube Channel. Choose Chrome and open. Request the stop mode. Select top right corner icon and press YouTube Studio. Click setting icon below. Click on Channel option. Go to Advanced Setting. Now click Manage YouTube Account. Choose Chrome and open. Click on Add or Manage YouTube Channel. Click on Create a Channel. Choose Chrome and open. Request the stop mode. Now add the channel name, anything you want. Now click on Create icon. Select your country. Now add your phone number and verify it. Now enter verification code here. Now click on Continue. Choose Chrome and open. Request the stop mode. And it's done. Enjoy your day. Please subscribe for more.